Hi, my name is Matt, and I own a garage door company here in Michigan with my brother. We've been in business now for about 2 years, and after the first year being really slow and fighting with Google to get verified, we got in contact with Barry at Door Domination, and he has so far taken our company to the next level. We're very excited to see what's coming in the future as he's working with PPC and to get us some paid traffic. But Barry and his team completely rebuilt our website, got us ranking on Google in the matter of months. Couldn't be more happier. Barry, you're the man. We appreciate everything you've done for us and our families. Um, I recommend Barry and Door Domination to anybody in the garage door industry that is struggling to get organic leads and struggling with Google. Thanks, Barry.